Welcome to the Sleep Stories channel by UZZ. I am delighted to share a new story with you. Before we begin, please take a deep breath and relax your body. Then, find the most comfortable position for yourself and get ready to soar into the universe of stories. Mr. Turtle was always known by a nickname, Mr. Slow. In his daily life, he did everything at a leisurely pace. He ate slowly, spoke slowly, and even walked at a slow, unhurried pace. Thus, sometimes, even if he arranged to meet friends ahead of time, he would still be late. Although Mr. Turtle's friends always laughed off his slow manner of doing things, constantly causing inconvenience for his friends made Mr. Turtle feel quite uncomfortable. So, he decided to seek a doctor's help to see if he could change his slow way of doing things. Mr. Turtle visited Dr. Longears' clinic and shared his troubles. After a moment of thought, Dr. Longears cautiously said, "Indeed, there is a type of acceleration potion that could help you move much faster." But, he paused. "Mr. Turtle, we all have our unique traits. For you, becoming faster doesn't necessarily mean becoming better. You might find it difficult to adapt and face even more challenges. Are you sure you want to go through with this?" Hearing this, Mr. Turtle hesitated for a moment but was so eager to become faster that he ultimately decided to try the potion. Dr. Longears then took out a small bottle filled with a light blue liquid, the acceleration potion, and told Mr. Turtle that he only needed to drink a small sip each day. Mr. Turtle thanked him profusely, took the potion home, and eagerly drank a sip. The acceleration potion indeed worked wonders. After drinking it, Mr. Turtle felt his body become lighter. He tried running and was as fast as the wind compared to before. Mr. Turtle was thrilled, thinking he would no longer cause trouble for his friends. However, Mr. Turtle hadn't anticipated becoming too fast for his brain to keep up. For instance, he would run into trees because his reaction time couldn't match his speed. He also started to become careless, encountering many problems, such as leaving the house so quickly that he forgot to bring his keys, ending up locked out. Previously, though slow, he was meticulous in his actions and hardly ever made such careless mistakes. Mr. Turtle soon realized that becoming faster didn't solve his problems but brought more troubles instead. He began to miss his old self, who, although slow, could think through things carefully and hardly made any mistakes. Therefore, Mr. Turtle visited Dr. Longyears again. Dr. Longyears had a gentle expression, as if he had expected this outcome. "You should understand now. We all have our unique ways of living and rhythm. Mr. Turtle, the reason you have so many friends is because of your wonderful qualities like being attentive, sincere, and considerate." Mr. Turtle nodded vigorously in agreement, then carefully drank a sip of the restoration potion Dr. Longyears handed him. Leaving satisfied, Mr. Turtle returned to his original way of life, gratefully accepting his friends' good-natured laughter and appreciating their tolerance and understanding. Standing in the brilliant sunshine, Mr. Turtle moved at his slow and steady pace, step by step moving forward. He knew that even though he had returned to his slow demeanor, life is not just a journey of seeking speed.